Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Treja. Student, in this video we are going to discuss the one of the most important cell organelle, that is plastids. Plastids are present in case of all the cells of the green plants and algae. What is their main function? They are responsible for manufacturing food. And also help in storage of food. They are the pigment containing cell organelle. Pigments are stored in plastid. On the basis of presence of types of pigment, we divide the plastids into two types. First type is chromoplast. We called it as colored plastid. Which gives various colors to the plant. If the pigment is green in color, we called it as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment which provide green color. Then when we called this plastid as chloroplast. And chloroplast is mainly responsible for synthesis of food by the process of photosynthesis. And what is photosynthesis? That is the process of manufacturing of food material with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is the green pigment which help in the process of photosynthesis, and the plastid which contains chlorophyll as a green pigment, they are known as the chloroplast. And the other plastid in which other pigments are present, different colored imparts to the plant, like flowers which are of brightly colored. So brightly colored pigments containing cell organelles are the chromoplast, and their main function is to attract the birds and insects for pollination, and they also help in the dispersal of fruits and seeds by attracting the birds and different animals. So other cell organelle, they may contain the other green pigments like carotenoids, provide different colors, and these different colors help in attracting insects, birds, other animals, which help in pollination, and they also help in dispersal of seeds. This is all about chromoplast. Other type of plastids are colorless, which we called it as leucoplast. Leucoplasts are the colorless plastid. The main function of which is the storage of food. They are again of three types on the basis of the type of food stored. First one is amyloplast. Amyloplasts store starch or carbohydrate as their stored food. Second type is proteinoplast. They store protein. The third type is elaioplast. Elaioplast store oil or fatty substances in them. So on the basis of type of food stored, leucoplasts are of three types. Amyloplast, which stores starch or carbohydrates, proteinoplast, which store protein, and elaioplast, which store oil type of food material. Now we talk about something, their structure. Plastid is a double membranous cell organelle. Like this, if I draw the structure of chloroplast, it is a double membranous cell organelle. Both the membranes are smooth type. This is outer membrane. This one is inner membrane. Space present between the two membranes is known as the intermembranal space. The liquid material present inside these membranes is known as the stroma. Various sac-like structures are present inside the stroma. They are known as the thylakoids. These thylakoids pile up one above the other, forming a stacks-like structure which is we called as grana. Different grana are interconnected to each other. This is known as the intergranum, which connects the two grana together. Chloroplast is also semi-autonomous cell organelle, as it contains its own circular DNA. (70S) ribosome, double membranous cell organelle. This is all about plastid. एक बार क्विक सम अप करते हैं प्लास्टिड के बारे में, क्या हमने यहाँ पर पढ़ा है. प्लास्टिड आर प्रेजेंट इन ऑल सेल्स ऑफ द ग्रीन प्लांट्स एंड एल्गी. मेन फंक्शन इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ फूड and storage of food. Plastids are the pigments containing cell organelle. Two types of plastids are present on the basis of the type of pigment present in them. First one is the chromoplast, which are the colored plastid. If the pigment is green, the pigment is known as chlorophyll and the organelle is known as the chloroplast. The main function of chloroplast, in which chlorophyll is present as a green pigment, they synthesize the food material by the process of photosynthesis. And if pigments other than chlorophylls are present, they may be carotenoids, which gives different colors to the flowers and fruits and help in attracting the insects birds or animals which help in pollination and dispersal of seed. If the colorless plastids are present, they are known as the leucoplast, and their main function is storage of food material. If the food is stored in the form of starch or carbohydrate, they are known as amyloplast. If the food is stored in the form of protein, they are known as proteinoplast. If the oil is stored, then they are known as the elioplast. What about structure of the plastids? Double membranous cell organelle. They consist of outer and inner membrane. The space present between these membranes is known as intermembrane space. The liquid present inside these membranes is known as stroma. Inside the stroma, sac-like structure are known as thylakoids. Thylakoids pile up on each other and constitute a grana-like structure. Two grana are interconnected with the help of intergranum. It is a semi-autonomous cell organelle as it consists of its own DNA and ribosome. So they can also synthesize their own protein like the mitochondria. This is all about plastid. I think the concept of plastid is very much clear to you all. Thank you so much.